Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, what up, y'all? Your girl is back filming videos. It feels so good to be sitting here filming for you guys. I am so excited. Thank you so much to everybody who checked in on me, who wrote me comments telling me that they were still watching my videos even though I wasn't uploading. Everybody who made sure that, you know, I was doing well in school. Thank you so much to all of you guys. Your comments really made me like want to get back and start filming ASAP, because y'all are who I do this for. Like, making content is so fun to me, and y'all just make it even better. So I feel like I say this all the time, but it's so true. Like, y'all are the reason why I feel like I had to come back with some banger videos. Y'all are the ones that, you know, really make me want to do this. Y'all are really the ones that inspire me all the time to come up with bomb content. It's y'all, it's all y'all. So thank y'all so much. I'm so happy to be back. If y'all can't tell, like, my whole aura is just totally different than how it was when I went to school. Okay, so anywho, by the way, before we jump into today's video, if you guys want to see this whole makeup look, I did film a video. Hold on, your girl looking a little shiny, just a little bit. But I did film this whole full face tutorial. It was also a chit chat, so I kind of updated you guys on how school went and, you know, just different little new things about me. So yeah, definitely go and check out that video. But today I'm going to be doing the show me your DENTS tag. This is a perfume tag that was created by Yummy411 here on YouTube. She is a fragrance and perfume enthusiast. She's a fragrance and perfume reviewer. She does all things fragrance and perfume on her channel, so definitely go and check her out. I will leave her video that she did, her original video, up in the cards, as well as her channel down in the description box, so you guys can go and check her out. Plus, there's so many other people who have done this tag. These videos are super interesting, so definitely go and watch them. But I gathered all of my perfumes here today to show you guys which ones have DENTS in them. And looking at it now, there's not a lot, but I have to remember that I actually started my perfume collection back in August of last year. So it's coming up on a year. It's only been a year that I have been actually collecting and really using perfumes. So the fact that I don't have that many, you know, it's not that big of a deal, because your girl is still an amateur, still a newbie to this, okay? So without further ado, let's just get right into it. Let me stop talking and let's just get right into it. Okay, so I'm gonna start with one of my newer fragrances. I actually got this while I was away in school, and the fact that it has a dent already is not because I like it. Let me just let y'all know that now, okay? But this is the Versace Red Jeans Woman. So many of you guys told me to get this fragrance. You said that you really like it. It's a fragrance that is heavily slept on. I don't love this. I'm gonna let y'all know that right now. To me, it smells kind of like a effervescent floral dryer sheet type of scent, which you guys know I'm not really like that fresh dryer sheet laundry type of person. I don't like that type of scent profile. The only reason why I somewhat enjoy this is because it has a, like I said, a floral effervescent note. So it kind of smells a little clean, a little crisp, and a little sweet at the same time. But I mostly wear this perfume to go and work out in, because like I said, it kind of smells kind of fresh and like a dryer sheet, and so that's kind of what I want to smell like when I'm working out, instead of smelling like BO or something. So if you guys can see, the juice is down to here, but when I first got the bottle, the juice was like probably halfway right here. So that is a super big gap of how much of this perfume I actually use. Like I said, I got it as soon as I got to school. That's when I bought this fragrance. So it's been a month and I've put that much of a dent in it. So that's Versace Red Jeans. The next one I'm going to show you guys is a fragrance that y'all know is one of my favorites if you've watched any of my videos. This is Viktor and Rolf Bon Bon. Oh, by the way, this is the 2.5 fluid ounce, and I think this is the only size that this comes in. So yeah, That's a pretty decent size for that perfume for me to have gone through it. But again, this is Viktor and Rolf Bon Bon, and this is the 50 ml bottle. And if I turn it to the side, you guys can see that I am under halfway. I don't know if you guys can tell with my lighting, but the juice is right here. So I am under halfway with this fragrance. So yeah, I've used quite a bit of this. I absolutely love this perfume. It's definitely one of my favorites. I've told you guys that to me, this is a really nice everyday type of perfume. It's a really nice date night type of perfume. I just think that it's versatile. It can go for smells so good. It can go for a lot of different things. This is a peachy caramel type of scent, a little bit of woodsiness, a little bit of floral. Smells amazing though. So love that one. Absolutely recommend it. Next I have one that is pretty much almost gone. Your girl needs to go ahead and repurchase this, and it would have been gone if I would have took this with me to school. This would have been done already, but this is Ariana Grande Cloud. Now this is only the 30 ml bottle of this. I bought this because, you know, everybody was hyping this scent up, saying that it smelled like Baccarat Rouge, and just in general it was a very nice sweet perfume. It smelled really good, so I just wanted to take a chance on it and try it out. So I only bought the 30 ml bottle, but I do really enjoy this scent. Again, this is another like just everyday, easy to wear, go-to type of perfume. And this was actually the perfume that I was wearing to the gym first before I started wearing this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this off though, because there's not really anything left in there. I'm gonna go ahead and finish that one off. Another newer type fragrance in my collection. This is from Zara. This is Zara Femme. Now y'all know I hyped this fragrance up so much. I hyped it up in my Zara perfume haul. I hyped it up in my first date fragrance video. But this is how much of this perfume that I have left. It's almost at halfway. This is just a 30 ml bottle, but I have so many perfumes. The fact that I'm just getting through all of these as fast as I am says a lot. I love this scent. Y'all can see which perfumes I have the most dents in, because this again is an everyday, easy to reach for, easy to grab fragrance. It smells very classic and feminine and timeless in my opinion. It literally smells like vanilla and floral. Like it's just soft and feminine and delicate. It smells amazingly good. So again, like I said, this is just an easy reach perfume. So that's how I was able to put a dent in this one so quick. Next we have an oldie but a goodie. You either love this perfume or you hate it. This is Aquilina Pink Sugar. Yes, I know my liquid looks dark, but that is literally what happens when you have a vanilla type of ingredient or extract or something in a perfume. It has a tendency to darken over time. So no, it is not bad. It still smells amazing. Smells so sugary sweet. It's just that the juice is a dark color. But as you guys can see, I'm like halfway with this bottle. I really like Aquilina Pink Sugar. I like layering this with Be Enchanted. Y'all don't steal that fragrance combo. That's like my signature scent combo. Like I love Be Enchanted with Aquilina Pink Sugar, so do not steal that one, okay? But anywho, yeah, that's what I always mix this with. So whenever I'm wearing Be Enchanted, I'm wearing this, and that is how I was able to get it down all the way here. So that's that one. Then we have my all-time favorite perfume of life. Y'all had to know that she was going to get mentioned in this video because, I mean, hello, it's me in a bottle. This is Valentino Donna, Born in Roma. This is the 50 ml bottle. When I turn it this way, you guys can actually see the dent in here. So she is pretty much halfway. Not quite, almost there. She's almost halfway, but I mean, for me to have started collecting perfumes in August, the fact that I've gone through 2 50 mils and a travel size spray of this perfume says a whole lot, okay? It lets you know that this is my all-time favorite, and it just lets you know that I really use this one a lot. So I keep this one. This one has a little bit of juice left, if you guys can see that. There you go. I keep this one on my perfume shelf just, you know, to remind myself, like, this was the very first perfume that I somewhat finished completely. I mean, that little bit of juice doesn't count, but basically this is the first full-size bottle of a perfume that I've actually finished, and it was this was the perfume that really, I can really say, jump started me collecting perfumes. And so I kind of keep this empty bottle as like a trophy or something. And plus I just really like the bottle of this perfume. So yeah, I have a dent in this one. This one is used up. I have a travel size that's used up. I have another travel size that's on go back there. So this is Giorgio Armani My Way. I actually took this one with me to school, and I realized just how much I really like this perfume. Again, this is an everyday, really sweet floral perfume. This is that like bubblegum tuberose type of scent, but it also has bergamot in it. So it is a pretty bright and fresh, sweet type of scent. That bubblegum tuberose really sets it off for me. It's a pretty linear type of perfume, so the way it smells when you first spray it is the way it smells when it dries down. So that's why I say it's like a really easy go-to type of perfume. But I have put a bit of a dent in it, if you guys can see. Yeah, so she's about a quarter of the way gone. Again, this is a 30 ml. So a few more fragrances, guys. We have the infamous Britney Spears Fantasy. This is a 50 ml, and she is about halfway. If you guys can see that, if the liquid would stop moving. I don't know if you guys can see that. There you go. So yeah, she's definitely halfway. This is another one that I took with me to school because this is one of my favorite fragrances. It's that super bright, fruity kiwi type of scent, and then it dries down into this white chocolate cupcake scent. Very pretty. Very. This one will get you compliments for sure. I wore it to school, definitely got compliments on it from the people in my class. This just, it smells so good. I really like this one. I remember I ran out to CVS to go and buy this. Next I have Burberry Brit. This is another perfume that I took with me to school, and you guys can see she is a little under halfway gone. This is another 30 ml bottle, but I love this fragrance so much. This is another just everyday, classic, feminine type of fragrance. I feel like this is perfect for work. I don't know why, but when I smell this perfume, I just think of a woman that goes to work and she's wearing like a white button up, and she's wearing like those pinstripe slacks with some super high 6-inch heels. This is the type of fragrance I see her wearing with her hair pulled back in a bun like me. And that is what I feel like Burberry Brit smells like. This is just a office appropriate, everyday appropriate type of perfume. So yeah, I love that one. That's why it has a dent in it. Then we have another one of my favorites, Jean Paul Gaultier LaBelle. I actually have not used this perfume in a minute. I need to definitely pull her out, but I feel like she's like one of those special occasion type perfumes. The reason why I have a dent in it is because when I first got it, I was just wearing it just leisurely, casually around the house. Like I was just wearing it just because I wanted to, but now I feel like I actually need somewhere to wear her to. So I haven't really been wearing her a whole lot, but I need to pull her back out because let me just go ahead and spray her because I love this perfume. I love this perfume so much, you guys. This just smells so feminine and sweet and classy. So I feel like this needs to be reserved for like special occasions, going out, you know, dates and stuff like that, because she just smells too good to just be wearing around the house like all willy-nilly. No. Okay, the very last fragrance that I have that I want to show you guys, this is another one of my faves. Clearly, all of these are my faves, but this is Versace Eros Perfume Eau de Toilette. This is just so good. There's the dent in here about maybe a quarter of the way. Yeah, about a quarter of the way. But this is just such a good warm weather fragrance. This is everything that I love in a summertime perfume. This is citrus. This is raspberry. Oh, smells so good. A little bit of musk. Smells amazing on my skin. It smells so good. It gets more fruity and sweet as it dries down on my skin. This smells so good. Amber Chantel said it smelled like white gummy bears. That was all I needed to go out and buy this perfume. And it really does smell like that because it's just sweet and fruity. Smells so good. I think it's the raspberry that really makes it smell like the white gummy bear, but this is so good. Love the packaging on it. Mine has gotten beaten up because I did travel with this when I went out of town to Phoenix, so my cap and everything is all beat up, but this is immaculate. Okay, So those are all the perfumes that I have to show you guys. I just wanted to show y'all all of the dents that I have in my collection. Those are all of the perfumes that I currently have dents in, but don't you worry, there will be plenty more where that came from, because after this video you guys are going to see my perfume collection video, and you guys are going to be able to see all of the new perfumes that I have, all of the new scents that I have to try out and put dents in. So don't worry, there will be more dents coming in my perfumes, more reviews coming, all types of stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below letting me know that you enjoyed it. Also go ahead and hashtag Fragrance and Beauty Army or Fab Army down in the comment section below. Go ahead and spam them comments with that. If you are new, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the bell notification so that you can be notified every single time that I upload a video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.